ChatGPT's created a huge buzz in the artificial intelligence space. But here's something no one's talking about: the latest bot that beats ChatGPT. And you can use it to make an easy $500 a day. Yes, I'm talking about the AI bot that no one is talking about. It's a game changer in the world of artificial intelligence. But it's not just any old bot. This bot has capabilities that will blow your mind and help you make money as you've never seen before. It's called Chatsonic, and it's such a powerful bot that it can even outperform ChatGPT in accuracy and speed while reducing the cost of using AI services. In this video, I will show you 5 ways to use Chatsonic to make money online. So keep watching and learn how you can make big bucks with Chatsonic. As I mentioned earlier, Chatsonic is a revolutionary AI bot that beats ChatGPT in accuracy and speed. Created by Sonic, a leader in the AI technology game for decades, Chatsonic is different from other bots out there. It uses the freshest training data, only information up to 2023. This means it can provide the most accurate and cutting-edge results around. Beat that, ChatGPT! Now let's talk about what makes Chatsonic perfect for businesses with tight deadlines. It's lightning fast. You'll get your answers in a flash. For this demonstration, we'll focus on the custom prompt feature. We'll come up with some catchy slogans for a hair oil brand. Let's see what Chatsonic can do. After I type in my prompt and hit the enter button, you'll see that Chatsonic will generate 5 different slogans almost immediately. These slogans are really clever and creative. They're far better than anything that can be produced by ChatGPT. It's almost like the bot is a creative genius, and different websites are ready to buy these slogans. So you can make a decent sum of money just by using Chatsonic. But that's not all. Chatsonic has a super convenient one-click copy and paste feature that saves you time and hassle. It's like having your assistant do all the grunt work for you. And the customization options are endless. With Chatsonic, you can choose different personalities for different scenarios. Want an accountant for your business emails? Done. Need a personal trainer for your fitness blog? No problem. Or maybe you just want to lighten the mood with a stand-up comedian or travel guide. You can do it all with Chatsonic. If you thought that was cool, hold on to your hats. Chatsonic can even generate photos, videos, and other visuals for your projects. So now that you know all about the awesomeness that is Chatsonic, let's talk about the best part: making some serious cash. In this video, I've broken down 5 different ways to make money with Chatsonic. Number 1. Creating artwork for website stores like Redbubble and Etsy. Making art for online shops like Redbubble and Etsy is one of the most interesting ways to make money using Chatsonic. Using Chatsonic, you can create beautiful designs that you can then post to these websites to start selling. You can upload your artwork to Redbubble and they'll handle the printing, production, and delivery for you. You only need your imagination in Chatsonic. The best part is that you can get started immediately for free. All you need to do is essentially give Chatsonic a problem and it will quickly create an image of it for you. For example, if you ask it to create a high-quality photograph of a hypothetical monster or any other random thing, it will do so. The image can then be easily downloaded with a single click and uploaded to Redbubble or Etsy. When you upload your work, customers can immediately begin purchasing it, selling anything you desire, including phone cases, t-shirts, mugs, pillows, and stickers can earn you money. And the best part is that once you've used Chatsonic to develop the design, you can just leave it there and wait for the consumers to find you. You can, therefore, get a respectable passive income from this with no additional work on your part. Number 2. Generating articles. Another great way to make money with Chatsonic is by generating articles. It's like having a personal assistant who can help you write articles in minutes. All you have to do is provide Chatsonic with a topic, and it will generate a complete article for you in a matter of seconds. As I've been a writer for over a decade, I can tell you that generating articles with Chatsonic is such an amazing time saver. I can create an entire article in the time it would have taken me to write a few paragraphs. The best part is that you only need a basic understanding of the subject and some training from Chatsonic. You don't even need to be an expert in it. Let's imagine, for example, that I want to write a piece about how the healthcare sector is becoming more digital. I would just need to provide Chatsonic a few details on the subject, and it would create an entire essay on its own. It's really that simple, but I do recommend you make some changes to the article either yourself or by using a paraphrasing tool. This way you can be sure that your content will be completely unique and plagiarism-free. You can make money by selling these articles to businesses and websites that need content on various topics. So from where can you find these businesses? Well, one of the best places to look would be job boards like Upwork and Freelancer. These websites have tons of businesses looking for articles on various topics. All you have to do is create an account with them, list your services, and start getting orders immediately. You can easily sell articles for $80 to $100. which means if you generate 4 to 5 articles every day, you can make a solid passive income without ever leaving your home. Now let's move on to the third way to make money with Chatsonic. Number 3. Promoting affiliate products. So how does it work? Simply sign up for an affiliate program and start browsing offers. Let's say you're interested in the weight loss niche. Just head over to Digeststore24 and pick a product to promote. Once you've selected a product, you'll receive an affiliate link to share. Now it's time to get creative with Chatsonic. Use the platform to craft engaging content about the product and share it on your website or blog. Or for even greater exposure, post your content on Medium.com, the ultimate platform for reaching a huge audience without spending a dime. As your content gains traction, people will be clicking your affiliate link left and right. And the best part? You'll earn commissions on every sale. No waiting around necessary. But why stop at content? Use Chatsonic to write reviews of the products you are promoting. By providing valuable information and personal experience, you'll inspire even more people to give it a try. And more sales means more money in your pocket. Number 4. Creating a course. Creating a course is another great way to make money with Chatsonic. You can use the platform to create an online course and then sell it on Udemy or Teachable. This method requires some effort but can also be extremely rewarding if you get it right. First, you must decide on a topic of your course. It can be anything like digital marketing, web development, photography, cooking, etc. Once you decide on the topic, then you need to come up with an outline of the course and create content for it. You can use Chatsonic to generate ideas and content for your course. It can be used to create engaging videos, interactive quizzes, and slideshows that students can use to better understand the topic. You can also add visuals like images, graphs, charts, etc. to make your course look more professional and attractive. When you're all set, it's time to spread the word. Marketing your course on social media and other platforms like Udemy and Teachable is the best way to reach a wide audience. With thousands of potential students on these platforms, the sky is the limit. What's even better is that, once your course is up and running, it can generate passive income for you. With the ability to update your content and promote it regularly, your course can continue to make you money without any extra effort on your part. Number 5. Selling digital products. Selling digital products is another great way to make money with Chatsonic. You can use the platform to create ebooks, audio files, videos, or any other type of digital product that you think people might be interested in buying. For example, let's say you have a great idea for an ebook that teaches people how to make money online. You can use Chatsonic to create that ebook and then sell it on your website or any other online platform like the Amazon Kindle store. You can also use the platform to create videos or audio files about any topic of your choice and then sell them online. You can create a step-by-step tutorial on how to do something, or you can just talk about a particular topic that's interesting to people. You just need to create good content, promote it on social media or other platforms, and then wait for the sales to come in. Chatsonic makes creating digital products very easy and also helps you to promote them effectively. You can use the platform's AI-based technology to create content quickly, get insights about your audience, and target potential customers by using automated marketing campaigns. And that's a wrap. I hope you found this video informative and helpful in your pursuit of making some serious cash with Chatsonic. As you can see, this AI bot is a game changer in the world of artificial intelligence and has the potential to help you earn a good income while reducing the cost of artificial intelligence services.